I'm Marley Peifer, and I am the creator of the Nature Journal Show, a fun weekly show that empowers you to get more out of your nature journaling. My goal with these free videos is to provide you with the most inspiring and most useful ideas, adventures, how-tos, and interviews every week. I believe that nature journaling can unlock your creative potential while making the world a better place. That's a win-win. Let's get on this journey together because I can't do this by myself. In fact, I need your help, and that is where Patreon comes in. Patreon is a membership platform that allows people to easily join a community and support the artists and educators that inspire them. It also allows creators like me to provide special access and exclusive content for super fans like you. It's been around for almost 10 years and is safe and easy to use. When you sign up for my Patreon, you will get the pride of supporting the show and helping make the world a better place through the spread of nature journaling. You will also get access to patron-only parties, exclusive videos, traveling journal kits, stickers, mugs, coaching, and more. Whether you contribute $25 a month or just $1 a month, you can be sure that your money is going directly into making more quality episodes of the Nature Journal Show. This helps keep the show fresh, free, and fun for everyone. As the community grows, I'm able to make better videos, test more ideas, take you on more adventures, and share nature journaling with more people. Are you ready? Let's do this. Click the red button to become a patron now.